This segment will show you how to perform a quick cleaning of the Sephra chocolate fountain. Instructions for full cleaning can be found in the owner's manual. Prior to beginning, it is recommended that you have the following cleaning supplies on hand. You may want to place plastic sheeting around the fountain's base to protect your linens from chocolate spills. Now turn the fountain off. Put on your apron and food handling gloves. Your next step will be to lift the crown up from the top of the cylinder and hold it over the cylinder for about 20 seconds. This will allow the chocolate to drain out of the lower cavity. When the crown is empty, place it back on top of the cylinder. Next, take your spatula and start scraping any remaining chocolate from the inside surfaces of the crown down into the cylinder as you see here. Once you've done that, scrape down the outside of the crown with a spatula and then use the spatula to clean each tier, starting with the top tier. You can clean the outside of the cylinder at the same time. Once the cylinder and all the tiers have been scraped clean, remove the crown and the tiers and insert each part into a plastic 1-gallon zip-top bag and seal it securely. If you are using the 44-inch fountain configuration, remove the crown and the first 2 tiers and insert each into a 1-gallon zip-top bag and seal it securely. Then lift the auger by the auger knob upwards out of the cylinder to remove the stabilizer. Place the stabilizer in a zip-top bag and seal securely. Lower the auger back into the cylinder and remove the cylinder extension and place it to the side. Once the crown and all of the tiers are in the zip-top bags, place the sealed bags in their designated spots in the carrying case. The next step will be to clean the auger. To do this, grasp the knob at the top of the auger and pull it upwards out of the cylinder. This will ensure that the auger doesn't fall out when the cylinder is removed from the bowl. Now run your fingers in between the first and second flights of the auger as shown. Rotate the auger with one hand while running your fingers on the flights with the other. As the auger turns, your fingers will squeegee the chocolate from the flights. The continuous well between the flights and the auger tube, exclusive to Sephra fountains, makes this part of the cleaning process quick and easy. You can also remove the chocolate from the auger by wadding up a ball of several clean paper towels and pushing it down the flights while you rotate the auger. Continue this process until you've reached the bottom of the auger, then lower the auger back into the cylinder. We know this seems counterproductive, but the objective at this point is to remove as much chocolate as possible with a quick cleaning. You'll clean the fountain more thoroughly back at the facility. If you are using the 44-inch fountain configuration, slide the cylinder extension back over the auger and attach it to the cylinder. Place a plastic trash bag, at least 13-gallon in size, over the cylinder so that about half of it is covered. Take care that the trash bag doesn't come into contact with the chocolate in the bowl. Then lift the cylinder out of the sleeve and hold it over the bowl for several seconds to allow any remaining chocolate to drain out. Once this is done, invert the bag and cover the rest of the cylinder and then twist the end of the bag shut to prevent chocolate from leaking out. With the bag carefully sealed, place the cylinder, with the auger and stabilizer still in place, back into its spot in the carrying case and secure it with the holding strap. The last major quick cleaning step will be to empty the bowl. To do this, first unscrew the bowl from the base unit as you see here. Then, using both hands, lift the bowl from the base and pour the chocolate into a suitable disposal container. Using your spatula will make this process go faster. For health and sanitation reasons, the chocolate must not be reused. Once the bowl has been emptied, screw the bowl back into the base unit and wipe it down thoroughly with paper towels. Place a trash bag over the base unit and bowl and place it back into its carrying case. Then place the lid back on the carrying case and close the latches for transport. After you've returned to your facility, you can give the parts a more thorough cleaning by placing them all, except for the bowl and the base unit, into the dishwasher and run it on a normal cycle. This concludes our 5-part series on Sephra's convertible commercial fountain. We hope you've enjoyed it.